Hello, I'm Pinky Kaur and welcome to my channel. Today the weather is just amazing. It's raining since morning, it's green everywhere, it's nice, little cold breeze, and I want to eat something which I really love, and it's a burrito bowl. Burrito bowl is basically a Mexican dish, but it has a very Indian taste to it because of the rice and because of the rajma like beans and something raw and some good fat, and it's very easy to make too. So I thought, let's make a burrito bowl today and enjoy my bowl along with the weather. So let's go to the kitchen. So before I start, I'll just finish off two items which I want to do, and then we can go with the other items. I'm just roasting the corn. Normally we use steamed corn for the burrito bowl, but I like mine roasted, so I'm going to do this because it gives a very nice taste. So I love roasted bhutta. I just get this side on the gas, so this side also gets cooked. So this is done, so I'll just take it off this gas. And I have some garlic pods here, and I have some soaked Kashmiri mirchi which I will grind. So I'll just grind this. I'll make a nice smooth paste. The flavor of the Kashmiri chilies and the garlic is very, very nice, so I just thought I'll make this paste. This should be done. It doesn't take time because the Kashmiri chilies were soaked for almost an hour, so it won't take time. Okay, so here we are done. It become a nice smooth paste. So now we don't need this mixie now, so we will continue with the recipe. So I'll just cut this bhutta, the corn which we have roasted. It gives such a good flavor when you roast it like this. It's so amazing. You can just eat it. Can't wait to eat it. Okay, so we are done. So I've got the bhutta roasted. I've got the pieces done. So a burrito bowl is basically a one pot meal which is in layers. So all we have to do is put all the layers together. So that's what we will do now. So for that I have some rice here. I have some unpolished rice. Then I have, in burrito bowl normally black beans are used, but black beans is not our local produce, so I have used this small rajma. You know, Jammu ke rajma aate hain, the small maroon ones. I have just boiled this rajma. I soaked it overnight, and this morning I just boiled it with only salt, nothing. So since this was boiled with only salt, and we like our Indians to be a little spicy Indian food, that's the reason why I made a paste of Kashmiri chilies and garlic. So I will just add this little to the rajma and just give it a nice mix. There are no onions, no tomatoes, nothing in this. It's just plain boiled with some water, and I've added this Kashmiri chilies and garlic paste in this. I will just check the salt. Mmm. The chili and the garlic is giving it a very nice pungent taste. So now we will start layering our bowl. So we'll just take the rice first. Now the rice you can put according to how much you want, your quantity, whether you want less rice, you want more rice. So you can do that. So I have taken this rice. On this I will add this rajma layer. It's just like our Indian food, right? That's why I said Mexican food is very, very closer to Indian taste. I find this dish very healthy. So here we have the, okay, we're done with the rajma today. Now here I have the bell peppers. I have yellow, red and green. So we will put some bell peppers on this. These are raw, I have not steamed them, just cut them very fine. Then next layer is, I will take some raw tomatoes. So that becomes another layer. I have some spring onion leeks, which will add lots of flavor to this. I have some raw onions. Raw onions are absolutely optional. If you don't want them, you can skip them. I love them because they give a nice crispy taste to the burrito. And then I have okay, my corn which I roasted. Okay, now we put the corn. We will add some, I have some greens here. I have some iceberg, I have some lettuce. Okay, this is my cheesy dip. I have a video on YouTube video on cheesy dip, so you can check that out. So this becomes my cheese for the burrito bowl. I can add some more of this so that I get a good decoration on the top. Some more this. Now last but not the least, I want to add this avocado. Now avocado is the most avocado is the most important ingredient in the burrito bowl, but avocado is the most diciest fruit I have seen. It may look very nice on the outside, but inside we don't know how it's going to be. So we'll cut and see. If it is nice, usable, we'll use it. Otherwise we've already used a good fat, which is the cashew paste. So we'll just cut this and hopefully it should be nice. Let's hope so. Oh wow, how lucky we are. Look at this. Oh my God. So we remove the, and then we just scoop it. This is how we scoop it. I learned this from my son, how to cut an avocado. Otherwise I always cut it like a guava. So we will just scoop this. And we are so lucky to get this avocado. Otherwise I was only hoping, I wonder how it will be. Because it was looking very nice from the outside, but sometimes from the inside you don't come to know how it is. So this is also done, this last piece. Can't afford to waste even a small piece of avocado. So we can just cut it and just put it on the top. Avocado gives such a delicious taste to the burrito bowl. It's okay. So here we are done. So we'll sprinkle some salt and some pepper. And we are done. So can you see the layers in the video? I don't know how clear this is. So we have grains, then we have some legumes, then we have some raw vegetables, and then we have some corn, and then we have the good fat, which is avocado and also cashew nuts. This is an extremely nutritious and healthy bowl. We normally generally on a regular basis we eat the raw food first and then we eat the cooked food later. But if you mix like this once in a way also, it's fine. But on a regular basis, try and eat raw separately and cook separately. But even to do it like this once in a way, it's perfectly fine. So enjoy this meal. I'm going to just enjoy this burrito bowl. I can't wait. I think I must taste it. So I can't wait to taste it. So you push your dig into it, so you get all the layers on the plate with the rice and the rajma. It's yum. The avocado taste, the rajma, the raw veggies, and that I can get the garlic and the Kashmiri chilies and the rajma what we mixed. Amazing. Anybody will like this dish because it's so much Indian, you know. And rajma rice, we know, is our comfort food. So this is an amazing, healthy pot meal. So if you like this recipe, please click the like button. And if you want to see more recipes like this, you can also subscribe to my channel. You can click subscribe button and click the bell button which is there. So you will be notified when my next video comes. So let me go and enjoy this bowl while you take a recap of the recipe in the description box. Thank you.